Okay, let's see. We're gonna do something called Walking with an Autistic today. So, gonna hang out, check around Macau. Let's see. Where are we gonna go? That way? What's that way? This way? What's this way? What are we gonna do? We're gonna walk that way. Yeah, we're gonna walk that way. So basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna explore and I'm gonna film and kind of a little bit of an autistic awareness, just what it's like, because I know a lot of people have autistic kids and they're not really sure what it's like when they get into teenage years. So we got one right here, and I think he wants to go that way, so we're gonna start that way and then we'll just see what we do. And this is walking around with Autistic on a Saturday afternoon, sorry. Hey, welcome to Macau. We're documenting the streets and seeing what it all looks like in 2023 for you. What do you want to say, Tyler? Which way are we gonna go? Okay, we're gonna go this way. Okay, so you want to lead me that way? Okay, let's go that way then. So I got this little tripod. I'm gonna put this away, and so you lead. You lead. You want to lead today, Tyler? Come on, let's go. So you want to go that way? Yeah. Okay, let's do it. So we're gonna go down this way. And which way, Tyler? You lead. Usually I always lead him, so he's not used to this way. Get my camera set up again. He's kind of walking real slow because he's not actually leading. So where do we want to go, Tyler? Take me there. Where? Okay, let's go. Lead me. I'll follow you. I'll follow you. I'm gonna follow you. You want me to lead? Lead? Me? Okay, so which way do you want me to go? Okay, well, let's go. So come up here with me, Tyler. Come up over here. Okay, so we're walking this way. So he says go this way. He wants me to lead, so I'm gonna lead. And usually I would. So which way are we going, Tyler? This way? So he says that way. Okay, show me the way. Come on up here. Yeah, there we go. So usually when he's walking, he's usually behind me a little bit, because usually he's letting me follow, because because he's non-verbal, he can't communicate with you. So usually he'll just say, he doesn't know where he knows where he wants to go, but usually he'll just say this way, and if you actually follow him, he'll take you somewhere that he wants to go. But it's a lot of like effort on both of his part and my part to kind of find out where he wants to go. But we're gonna try to find and see what he says. So and we'll just kind of highlight what we can see as we do. And I think the first thing we're gonna step into is the old hotel here, Estoril. So you kind of get a little bit of a tour of Macau. And I think he's probably gonna want to cross the street right here. So let's just find out where he wants to go. So we'll ask him. I'll show you this hotel in a second too. Okay, which way do we want to go? You want to go that way into the park? Okay, let's go. Let's do that then. And so once we cross over, we can I'll kind of show you some of the stuff along the way as well. So the first thing we're going to do is show you the Estoril. So I think he's probably has somewhere he's going to lead me, but I don't know where yet. Have you seen this? All right. He wears the mask. I usually don't because I want to speak, but he usually wears it. Actually, you're supposed to wear it everywhere anyways, and since he's autistic, it's easier. I just have him put it on because it's but anyways, that's the Estoril. So we're gonna walk down this way a little bit. There's so much traffic, but Estoril is the first casino in Macau, and I think he wants to go into here, and that's also another kind of cool building. This area is called Autistic. So I'm just going to walk. He'll follow me. Usually he's used to following me, but I'll kind of ask him where he wants to go. He probably wants to go over here, so we'll probably do that in a moment. And this is where the first casino is at, called Estoril. So this used to be kind of the heart of the casino community before Lisboa was the first of the new one. And then down there was like this area that's called like Thai Town. So so that's where the Thai community used to be when they were a lot bigger than now. And my understanding is back when this was all Portuguese, they had a lot more Thai people, and then now it's like way back to the China, and then now there's more Filipino people. So Filipino Indonesians are usually like helpers and stuff like that. So we'll just kind of see what's going on in here. I think he wants to go in here anyway, so let's just kind of check it all out. They'll probably lead me into one of these in a moment. So these are kind of interesting. Probably should just do a whole video just on these alone. So, hello. Happy New Year. Got
Chinese traditional.
Oh, okay, for the Chinese New Year.
Yeah, it's the traditional one.
Oh, okay. It's all lucky.
This is not lucky meaning, but all this one.
Oh, these are the lucky ones. Yeah, okay. And it's only 88, so I guess I should get one. Should I use cash?
Okay.
It's okay, we got our first purchase here.
Thank you.
This is the first place we went to, and we already got something. So we got all kinds of stuff, so we just got a lucky one. And I think what we're gonna do is just kind of stroll through here. Let's see, where do you want to go? You want to go this way? Okay, let's go. I'll follow you. So we got all kinds of stuff. Here's another lucky one here. More rabbits. Hello, how are you guys?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
This one can.
Oh, you see that?
And this one can DIY.
Oh, the whirls. The whirls, it's like a wind.
Yeah. You can choose your sticker and then
Oh, okay.
your own.
Oh, that sounds cool. Yeah, okay. What do you think? You like it? we'll keep walking around and see. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you. Hello. So let's keep on walking around.
Let's go!
Woohoo! Let's see what else we got here. So, hello. How are you? Happy New Year.
This
Woohoo!
is our product.
Wow, okay.
It's our design.
So you guys designed that.
Yes,
Looks nice.
it's original.
Okay.
Yes, we make this by ourselves.
Wow, looks
Yes.
pretty cool.
Thank you. Yes,
Oh, you got some samples as well. Okay.
this is photo, and you can pick. And here is Happy New Year on the photo.
Oh, okay.
Filter.
Oh, I see. Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Bye.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
So, got some bubbles over there. Let's kind of see. So let's see. Let's just kind of see where he wants to go. Where do you want to go? Where should we go? Okay, I'll follow you. So you're in front. Come up here. Actually, there's a lot. See lots of bubbles. I'm with my. You like that, Tyler? Got some bubbles there. Look at the rabbit worker. Oh, the bubbles are for part of this too. Oh, okay.
This is alcohol. You can use this.
Oh.
Hand sanitize. You can use it like.
Oh, okay.
It's also the bag that we designed here.
Oh, okay. Do that one for.
Real of this is full of the Macau characters. Like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we decided all of this product. You can take a look. And also we got this. This cat know how to roll by itself. You can take a look.
That sounds kind of cool. All right, what do you
We
think?
got this little rabbit and also like this hat. This hat know how to like move the ears.
Oh, you like that one? Oh,
You like that one?
you like that one?
Do you like it?
Exciting. Okay. You ready to give it back? Here you go. You like that one? Okay, Tyler, come on, bring it. Tyler, let's give it back.
You want this?
How much is that?
This is now 50x. And you can like hold it on your leg.
Oh, okay, so you can put that on top of it.
You can take it.
Okay. Come here, Tyler. Come here. Come here. You like it? You want it? Tyler, come here. Come here. Come here. You like it? You want to get it? Okay, I'm going to give you some money, okay?
You like this, you can like hold it like this. You can take this.
You can take this if you want to hold it like, take it by.
I guess all I got is this. You want to give this to them, Tyler? Tyler?
You want to take it first?
So see if they have any change, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Thank
Okay, thank you.
No, if you don't want this, just
Yeah.
you can put it.
You want-
click on both sides and then you can hold it by the rope.
There you go.
We could have a happy new year.
Yeah, Happy New Year. Yeah, the year of the rabbit.
Yeah.
But this is a shark.
Yeah.
It's a year of the rabbit. But it still looks good though.
So here's the drink. So thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Thank you so much.
Happy New Year.
Oh, we got.
And also we got something for you guys. Wait a minute. We got something to give for you guys.
Okay.
Here is some mask decided by ourselves, and it's something to give, like New Year gift to you guys. So Happy New Year.
Thank you so much.
Also, so I'll put it on.
Oh, I got another one.
And,
Oh, and I got. Okay.
so this is our bag for.
Put it right in here.
Okay, thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye.
And also this one for you.
Oh, okay.
And the cartoon one for the handsome guy.
Makes sense. Sounds
Happy
good.
New Year.
Happy New Year. And that one. And then this one looks like it's kind of a. Let me see if you want to come over here for a second? You want to stand right here real quick? 2023. And then turn around. Face the camera a little bit. Tyler, come on, face the camera. Say hello. Say hi. Go like that. All right. I think I got this side. I think we did kind of everything, I think. Okay, so we're gonna head on out. This looks really popular. Okay, so we just kind of had a little bit of fun there. We got some bubble stuff too, right? So that was kind of an unexpected surprise. What is that? What do you got? What is that? Tyler, what is that? What is that called? What is it? Bubbles, that's right. Okay, so where are we gonna go? This way? Okay, let's go that way. So we're gonna go down this way. I'm not sure where he's leading me, but I think he's more preoccupied with the bubbles than anything. So actually I kind of want to lead him somewhere because there's a lot of stuff that that I'm kind of familiar with that we should definitely go and see. So but yeah, anyways, where should we go? Okay, let's go. We'll do more. So we're just kind of walking, and he's telling me to go this way, so we'll just see where he takes me. This is kind of cool spot anyways. This is kind of a, I always really like the coloring of this. These buildings have a lot of different purposes. There's like a museum in here, library in here, and then if we go straight down that way, it goes to a really beautiful park that he might really like a lot. Come here. Make sure he stays with me here. He's pretty preoccupied since we got the bubbles. All of his focus is on that, so it's a little bit harder to film. So anyways, there he is. So we're just gonna walk down towards this thing, and I think I might see where he tries to lead me. I'll ask him when we get to the corner, and then if it seems like a lot of times he just doesn't really have anything in mind, he's just telling you where to go. So if that seems to be the case, then we'll end it. Where do you want to go? What's over there? What do you want to get over there? What is it? Chocolate? Where? Circle K?
Sure, okay.
Circle K? Okay, I think there's Circle K's anywhere. So you're just leading me to get some chocolate. Okay, so he's basically gonna just lead me there. So I think what we're gonna do is we're probably just gonna end it here, and maybe we're gonna go over to that that park right over there. It says Happy New Year. So let's just walk over that direction, and then we'll actually I'm gonna take him somewhere to eat. I'm kind of hungry myself, and then we're going to this looks kind of cool. It's kind of like a nice Hong Kong style place. I might take him here in a moment, but we're gonna end it over here by this park. So let's just try to cross. And then this is a good ending. It says Happy New Year. So this is kind of a New Year's celebration. And this is a beautiful little park in here. And we'll just come over here and then we'll just end it. So this is Walking with an Autistic. And I think we're just gonna close it right here. Oh, your bubbles are gone. Is your bubbles gone? Hey, come back, look this way. Are your bubbles gone? Gone? So you got something cool though, eh? Okay, so say bye. Bye. All right. And what do you got? Bubbles, right? Yeah. All right. Hey, welcome to Macau. We're documenting the streets and seeing what it all looks like in 2023 for you. Chiquinha, chiquinha.